Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fade audio on CapCut application or browser. So once you actually open your browser, just go and type capcut.com and hit the enter button. That will not take you into this page unless you already logged in into your account. But if you are not logged into your account, you will find another page. In that page you will have the option of downloading it on your PC on the right side. On the left side you'll have the option of start using the CapCut on your browser. Of course, before start using it on a browser, if you click on that option, you will need to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you will need just to go and create one account. And of course, you can even create your account with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually created your account and log in into it, or just log in into your account, you'll find this as your home page. And from here you can actually open some of your recent projects, or you can just go and create a new project. Just click at the black canvas here, and of course you will need to wait a bit until it loads. But if you have it on your phone, or sorry, on your PC already downloaded, you will not need to wait anything. It will be much smoother if you have it downloaded on your PC, and of course faster, and of course it will have the full features, not like in browser. So once you're actually in this page, simply you need just to click here at upload or drag your file right here. For me, I'm just going to upload a simple video, and that will be actually my video. For me, I'm just going to drag it here at the edit option, or at the edit area, to start editing on my video. So of course, once I am here, if I want to make fade audio to this video, simply I'll just need to go here to audio option. So of course I can here start playing with the fade in duration, the fade out duration. I can do whatever I want with the sound, and of course I can even like remove the sound, the noise background. I can add some voice effects if I want. The same I'll find here at the audio option. I can just go here and click at effects and add whatever effects I want to add on the audio. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.